everybody, it is Taylor here, and today we're gonna make fruit whipped cream pancakes. So this is what you need to make it. Some strawberries. I love strawberry ice cream and all kind of strawberry flavor stuff because they're so sweet. Hope you like them too. Next, the blueberries. Those are sweet. They're my favorite fruit. And so are the bananas. Tastes good. Here's a little math lesson. You see, this is a 1/3 cup. How many scoops of this equals 1 cup? If you said 3, that's right. So, do you like my math lesson? So let's get started. 3 scoops, as I said. When you're done with it, you just scoop it flat with your hands. That's 1. There. Second scoop. I'm standing on the wall. 1 last cup. Okay. 2 cups of water. 2 scoops of water, actually. Just a little more. Okay, that's done. Let's add the toppings now. Strawberries first. Splat. Next, the banana. Splat. Then a couple of blueberries. Right here. Blah, 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 blah. Grab some more. Whoa. Have fun. Whoa. Let's keep stirring it. Mine got a little less water in it. If you got a little less water in it, add some more water. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like after stirring. After you stir it, leave it for 2 minutes. Okay, now let's spray the butter spray. Spray a little in the middle. Hey, that rhymes. So let's put some in.
Please be aware, the girdle is very hot. Make sure your parents are by your side.
Blueberry. There. So, wait until it's golden brown and use this to flip it. Okay, now it's ready to flip. Let's flip it. A little help. Okay, got it. Go. There. Let's get it on the plate, and then let's get some milk. Okay, so that's done. I think my pancakes are done. I cooked a little. Let's eat it. Really crispy all the way through. This is called golden brown. If both of your sides of your pancake are golden brown like this, it's done. So let's add the cream and the other toppings. There. I made a little cat shape. Split, splat. Let's put the eyes. This is the nose. I'm gonna make it smiling. I made a smiling person. I cut it. Let's eat this. Leftovers we need. Get your milk. Get a pancake. Let's try it. I get the eye. Oh, this is hot. Hope you make a good pancake. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next episode.